Welcome back. Let's identify together the structures of the ear. First, the ear is divided into the external ear, also called the outer ear, the middle ear, and the internal ear, also called the inner ear. Structures of the external ear, we have the auricle, the pinna, which is this part right here. We have the helix, which is this part right here. This right here is the lobule. In yellow here, we can see the adipose connective tissue. This right here is the external acoustic meatus, which is a part and an opening in the temporal bone. This right here is the tympanic membrane, which is the anatomical term for the eardrum. This right here is the pharyngotympanic tube, also called the auditory tube. Moving to the middle and the inner ear, first we can see the tympanic membrane. And these are the auditory ossicles. We have the malleus, which is right here in close proximity to the tympanic membrane, incus in the middle, and the stapes, which looks like a ring. This right here is the pharyngotympanic tube, also called the auditory tube. Moving to the structures of the labyrinth, which is located in the internal or inner ear. First, we can see the semicircular canals. This right here is the vestibule. This is the cochlea. Right here, we can see the cochlear branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve, which is cranial nerve number 8. We can also see the vestibular branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve, cranial nerve number 8. This is right here is the vestibule as we mentioned. Again, let's go over the structure of the labyrinth, which is this entire structure right here, which is located in the internal or inner ear. First, we have the semicircular ducts in the semicircular canals. This is the anterior semicircular canal. This is the posterior semicircular canal. This is the lateral semicircular canal. So they are located at different planes. This right here is the crista ampullaris. This entire structure is the vestibule. In the vestibule, we have the saccule right here. We have the atricle right here. And also we have the macula right here. So the macula lutea is a structure in the eye. The macula is a structure also in the vestibule of the labyrinth. Next to the stapes, we have the oval window. So that is the stapes in the oval window. Also, we have another window, which is the round window right here. Right here, we can see the cochlear duct in the cochlea, which looks like a snail shell. This is the spiral organ. This is part of the facial nerve, whereas this is part of the vestibular branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve, cranial nerve number 8. This is the cochlear branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve. Moving to the cochlea, this is a cross-section in the cochlea. First, right here, we can see the oval window. This right here is the round window. In the cochlea, first we have the vestibular membrane right here. This is the cochlear duct, the scala media. So you can see the cochlear duct, scala media. This is the cochlear branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve. That's the spiral ganglion. Let's zoom on one part of the cochlea where we can see the scala vestibuli, which contains the perilymph, the cochlear duct, also called the scala media, which contains the endolymph, and the scala tympani, which contains the perilymph. So we have 1, 2, 3 chambers in the cochlea. This right here is the spiral ganglion. This right here is the basilar membrane. This is the spiral organ of Corti. Whereas this right here is the pictorial membrane. And this right here is the vestibular membrane. So we have three chambers and we have three different membranes: the vestibular membrane, the pictorial membrane, and the basilar membrane. Let's zoom on the spiral organ of Corti. First, we can see the basilar membrane. Right here, you can see the pictorial membrane. These are the afferent nerve fiber. These are the fibers of the cochlear nerve. These are the outer hair cells. And these are the inner hair cells. These are the hairs.